So hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So in today's video, I want to teach my girlfriend how to make tuwo, okay? Because they are done with the version of abacha, an Igbo woman. Yeah. So as an Hausa person that I is, let me teach her how to make tuwo. And she's gonna be making normal tuwo masara. This one is tuwo masara.
Tuwo masara.
Yes. So let's see what she have, okay? First you have to put water, and your water is boiling already. Check it, your water is boiling.
Yes.
So since the water is boiling now, carry your turning iron. This one that is stronger. So we have the flour there, you understand, but I'll be putting the flour for you so that it will be easy for you. Okay. So let me get something and stand my camera. So guys, let's see what she'll be doing here today.
Is it like that?
Yes, you're trying. So you still be putting fast so that it will not be seed. You understand? Hey God, Maria, who they talk. If you are not careful, this thing not go down. I'm putting for you.
The blood the heat.
Eh? No, it's supposed to even be boiling, sir. Morina, who is talking? You can use rag and hold this so I can turn it very well. She's trying, guys.
Oh, really? Is this one?
Yeah, I know.
Already get phone.
Thank God, them already even get phone. For sofa. So you continue to turn.
your people will ask you, no, be this one.
So guys, she will continue to turn, okay? So let me show you her view from the back. Mrs. Oyoyo!
The tuposki.
The tuposki. So she will turn.
This is just like Simona.
Yes, now I told you that it's not hard. Be careful, sir. That's all 9 times. You can be touching water and be turning it. See, tap is running. Tap is running. She's trying, guys.
Oh, your mommy did not eat it.
You're welcome. Bring my plate for me. You are not hungry, right? You are good, my darling friend.
I'm always good at
You are good. So, you have this.
Okay.
Put it. So you can transfer it yesterday. I was warming the soup. Transfer your food.
Jesus, this thing is hot.
Yes. So I can be warming the soup. Take it. My friend is good. She did a very nice job. Trust me, guys. You have to remove this one first so that we have space. Oh, I'm having enough plates to wash. Go and bring my plates for me. Yes. Are you done? Are you not eating more again? Okay, let me close this one first.
This is good though.
Guys, she's done. See her swallow pattern. Rate her. Like she really tried.
Like me 100 over 100
Yes.
times.
For the
It's my first time.
For the first time, and she really did well.
Yeah.
And she really did well. Like there's no seed, no lumps, nothing.
Yes, sir.
You are good.
I'm good.
So I need to give them soup. Made a goosey soup. So I can give people even if it's not too hot, Nabi.
Yes.
Since this thing is hot. So we have soup. Tuwo! See soup.
Grace.
Madness! So let me go and meet them. They want to eat now, so we can film the eating process.